Okay, so me and Mom are gonna dig a treasure.
Yeah, we got this thing from CHISEL because we're in the hospital and it says pirate treasure dig. Dig it out. We don't know where it came from, but it looks like an adventure. Or an adventure. Avenger, what am I saying? So, we gotta prop this up a bit better. So we got this little tray, and we're gonna put some paper towels on it, so we don't make a big mess on our bed. And then it says, it says we need a one clean sheet of paper, 1 large cup of water, 1 clean cloth, and 1 safety goggles. Well, we don't have safety goggles, so let's see what we need to do. Okay, so here's the treasure chest.
There's some tools.
Yep, so we gotta take the plastic off the treasure chest, and we'll stick it on here.
Paper. A knife.
A mallet? Yep, that's a mallet. So it says, place the treasure chest on a clean surface or use a paper towel. So we got it on a clean surface with some paper towels. And then it says, place the point of your chisel. Yep. Okay, so it says, place the point of the chisel on your treasure chest. Keep digging until you find treasure. So you gotta put it on there. So here's the thing. You gotta put it on there. And then we'll turn it around so everyone can help see what we gotta do. So you gotta get it like, oh, we're blocking the camera here. So we have this treasure chest like this. And what we gotta do is we gotta, Miles, can you hold the camera like this?
Yeah, I want to do
Yep.
that.
Well, this is how we do it. So we get this little thing and we kind of chisel at it. So we gotta dig like this and break little pieces off to reveal the prize inside this treasure chest. So I'm gonna hold the camera and show you guys how Miles does it. So here are the instructions. Well, if I can get the camera in here. So,
First we gotta clean it off.
yep, you gotta use the brush to get some of that sand off. Yeah, and this is a prize you got from the toy room here at the hospital from Jesse's Toy Box. He's a kid that donates toys to the hospital for other kids. So that's nice. Well, you gotta stick this like this and then hit the hammer on it hard. You gotta chisel at it. I don't know, maybe Dad can help chisel this.
I can do it.
We'll be back when we're done. Okay? Right, Miles? What's up, guys?
Hello guys again.
So Miles has been working very hard on his treasure hunt. So we'll show you after about 30 minutes he got to the bottom, so we'll reveal the treasure. Hold on. Okay guys, there's the treasure. So keep chiseling at it, Miles.
Look, Miles, it's a crystal. Tell them,
Well,
Miles.
no,
Tell them
keep
what it
Miles,
looks
put
like.
it on
so
the board
far.
and let's chisel at it. Here, you're getting the bed all dirty. Let's reveal the prize, guys. Okay.
It's like a diamond.
It does look like a diamond.
It looks like a diamond. We're watching the new Jumanji. So if you hear that on the background, please don't pay attention to it. So Miles is just brushing off some of the dirt away so he can see. This time we're in the hospital, not because of treatment, but because Miles got chemotherapy last week and his white blood cell counts and hemoglobin and platelets were all low. And because they were so low, he's starting to spike a few fevers, so we had to stay a few nights here at the hospital so we can keep a close eye on him to make sure he doesn't get any type of infection, because when his counts are so low, a common cold could be super dangerous. So we keep ourselves preoccupied with some of the things child life brings us, right, Miles?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what did we find in there?
Mm-hmm.
What does it look like? It looks like a diamond or a jewel of some sort, huh? Is it a little emerald?
Mm-mm.
No? Ooh, your hands are getting a little dirty messing with this.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, you
I
almost...
bet after this I should wash my hands.
After this, yeah, we'll wash your hands. So keep digging for some treasure. And then let's show the fans what's inside this treasure chest.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did you get it out?
Mm-mm.
Is it almost there or what?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, come on, come on. Is there anything else in there, I wonder?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Guys, do not throw this at home because it's kind of dangerous.
It kind of is. And it's super messy, so make sure that adult is around with you while you're doing this. Right, Miles?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Guys, do not throw this at home. But I'm doing this because I'm a scientist.
Yep. Miles has some mouth sores from the chemotherapy. It stripped some of his lining in his mouth. So it's been kind of sore and he's had troubles eating, so swallowing kind of hurts. So his mouth is kind of swollen. Okay, so it revealed some of the prize, but we'll be back when we get more of the treasure out and we wash our hands and clean up. So just stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, we found a gem inside this treasure chest. Took some time to chisel at it, but it kind of looks like an emerald, I think. Why don't you guys comment down below and tell me what this gem is? And make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and ring that
bell
to follow more of Miles' journey here. But this is what we did today. So we're going to sign off and it's late. Make sure you comment down below and tell us what this rock is. Alright, what do you say, Miles?
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, I guess we're not done today. So Miles was able to dig more at the treasure and he was able to reveal some more. So look at this.
Here, Miles.
He cracked it open and he found 3 more jewels. So,
2 more jewels.
or 2 more, I should say. So we got the green one.
Oh, wow.
We found
Miles, look at
a blue one.
this is the ruby heart stone. Look, Miles.
And then we found like a deep red one. So Miles, what should they do? Comment down below and tell us what these stones are. Tell your fans what we should do.
Comment down below and say what these stones are.
Show them again what stones we got in the treasure chest.
This one.
What color
And
is
then-
it, Miles?
This green, blue, and red.
And we got like a red ruby. This one actually is in the shape of a heart.
Yeah,
One too.
yeah.
they look so
And this is
cool.
his clay in his treasure chest. So
Look at Miles.
make sure you comment down below and you tell us what kind of rocks those are, okay?
Look, Miles.
And we'll catch you next time. Make sure you ring that bell. What do you say, Miles, to your fans?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.